Hey there strangers, it's Brie. Today will be a quick but delicious one. We'll be going over a simple recipe for roasted potatoes. These little guys have been part of my breakfast for the past couple of months, alongside of a few slices of bacon and a busted ass egg. We'll go through this simple recipe, the ingredients needed, and illustrate each step along the way. But first, don't forget to graze the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment below if you have suggestions for a recipe I should try. Now strap in people, because now you're cooking with Brie. You'll only need 5 ingredients: garlic powder, black pepper, olive oil, salt, and these adorable little potatoes. For a higher fluff to outer crisp ratio, we'll just have these little ones. If you want more crisp, quarter them instead. On a tin-foil baking sheet, add the oil, pepper, salt, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Next, you'll toss the taters and make sure they've got a good coating all around. Then flip them to make sure the skin side is facing down. This will help stop the starch from causing them to stick to the foil later. Now, my secret to counteract the loss of spice from the potato toss is to get another round of spice on them. Give them a nice final coating of garlic powder, salt, and cracked black pepper. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and roast for 20 minutes. Now, while that's cooking, now's a good time to give that like button a little love, and make sure to hit subscribe for more random shit in the future. Once the 20 is up, remove and give these taters one last toss before placing them back in for a final 10 minutes. And once you're done, remove and serve next to your favorite busted ass serving of eggs. And that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed that recipe. Let me know what you think and leave any recs in the comments below.